Hello, hello, good morning. Good morning to you all. There's a little information that I just got, so I said, let me share it with you guys. For those of you that are creating content, you know, that are doing this AI content, because me also, I do create AI content, but in a comedy way. So I got to find out about this info. Maybe some of you might already know, you might be aware already. So I just said, let me share it with you guys. For those of you that are creating AI content, there are ways you create it that you will not have any issue on that video, especially when it's time for the your channel will be monetized. When it gets to that time, you will not have any issue. So, and one of those things are when you're creating AI videos. If you know there are some they generate the pictures and they will now start saying the story. They will generate pictures concerning that story that they want to create. Why some they will generate the picture that after generating the picture, they will now make that picture to start talking instead of them explaining on their own. So it's just like you're watching all this home video now. That is how it's going to look. But I'm talking about for those people that you will generate the picture, then you will not be the one explaining on it. So guys, for some of you that are into such, or if you know anyone, you can pass this information to that person. So if you have anyone, for those of you that are doing AI content, and you are the type that when you generate the picture, you will just be explaining on it. Hello, good morning. You'll be explaining on that picture. So what I want to tell you is that when you generate any character on that AI uh, story that you are going to say, you shouldn't generate one. There are some people, maybe the story that they are going to say is about 4 to 5 minutes or even 10 minutes long. And what they do is they will not create like a they will not create like the pictures that they're going to create. It will not even be up to it's that the pictures that they will create. Let me say to be like 6, 7, 8 or thereabout. Let me just put it like that. If you are making a video, an AI video of about 10 minutes, 7, 8, 10 minutes long, that story that people is going to watch, you don't need to create just like 5 or 6 characters, because if you create just only that 6 characters, you might have issue along the line. So each of the prompts that what's it called, that's generated the stories for you, try and create much characters on that particular story that you want to say, so that as people are watching it, they will be seeing different characters. But when you create when you create just one character, and this your story is that's let me say the story that you are saying is up to how many seconds with just only one character, when it gets to monetization, you are going to have issue. Because I came across a lot of people complaining, saying that this thing has been demonetizing some of this their channel because of this issue. So if you know you are the kind of person that creates a what's it called, this AI stuff, try to create so many characters that they should be seeing different faces. Different faces should be showing. As I saying the stories, they will be seeing different characters. Don't use only 5 characters to say your how many minutes story. Don't do that, because for those people that do generate the one that he to be talking on his own, they have an advantage in the sense that is according to the prompt given to them, they use it in generating the characters that you are seeing. So just like you are watching an own video. And secondly, don't use people sound. Don't use people's sound, because sound has affected so many of these people. You know, if you are the type that you create such, don't use, look for your own sound. You can create your own sound. Or even if you don't want to use your sound, then leave it like that. But if you feel the story will not really be interesting, it won't be that interesting, then create your own sound. You can create your own sound, so that when it gets to that time, YouTube will not say is a copyright stuff. So for those of you now, because AI is already booming, people are using it now, and it's helping a lot of people. But it is the way you make use of it, the way you use it, that will determine if it's okay or not. So guys, this is a little information I say let me pass on to tell those of you that are into AI content. So I'll see you guys later. I just went out and I'm coming back. So please don't forget to like my video. Bye.